A very warm welcome to class 8. We have already studied adverbs. Today we are actually going to practice an exercise related to adverbs. So let us see. Yes, an adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective or another adverb. Examples are: the girl runs quickly, the bird is very small, the students always study so quietly. So these are the examples of adverb with the help of verb, adjective or another adverb. Let's see the examples ahead. Details adverbs tell. An adverb describes a verb, adjective or another adverb by telling these details. They are as yes. Verb will tell you here, there, everywhere, outside. Means if you ask any sentence this question where, then the answer will be here, there, everywhere, outside, inside. The specific space will be told to you. If we talk about when, then it will tell you about time, today, yesterday, Friday, early, now. So these are the examples we have already discussed, children. So I will move ahead with the exercise part. Adverbs. This is the practice exercise, children. Instructions are: the fish swam slowly in the very warm water. The orange car always works better than the yellow car. Today, my sister went to school early in the morning. They often run outside. Now they are playing here inside. Fifth, we laughed so hard that our stomachs really hurt. Now let's see. Yes. So can you see the answers, children? This was a practice. So I'm just showing the answers to you. On the day when we are going to have test, then I will tell you that what has to be done. That part will be done by you all totally. The fish swam slowly in the very warm water. So swam is the verb. Slowly and very, you can understand. The orange car always works verb. Everything, the whole answer is in front of you. So it's very clear to practice this exercise. Those who have not understand the lesson yesterday, this exercise will make you very clear. So let's see. Now, adverb describes verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Adjective describes noun and pronoun. So this thing is very important. You should know it, children. Now let's see. Adverb describes, adverb क्या बताता है? Adverb verb, adjective और adverb के बारे में बताता है. Similarly, this is also in front of you. The excellent students quietly read. Adverb is quietly is the adverb and read is the verb. Adjective describes nouns and pronouns. That means the excellent adjective, students is the noun, quietly read. Okay, quietly read means slowly read. Okay, so students is the noun. So you have seen that adjective is describing what? Adjective is describing nouns and pronouns. Let's see the next exercise. Adverb or adjective practice. So we will be doing both the things, right? So the doctor was careful. He called the patient quickly. Label words are as an adverb or adjective. The small chair broke suddenly. Your hamburger has many tiny onions. A book in the corner was completely new. He always drinks the clean water. Now let's see. The answers are in front of you. The doctor was careful. He called the patient quickly. So careful is the adjective, quickly is the adverb. Right? Doctor is the noun. Okay? And called is the verb. This has also been signified here. The small chair broke suddenly. Small is the adjective. Chair is the noun. Broke is the verb. And suddenly is the adverb. So adverb always describes add on to the verb, and noun. What is adjective doing? Adjective is describing chair. That means the noun or the pronoun. Now we come back to the next statement, the next sentence. Can you see that? Your hamburger has many tiny onions. Now many tiny is the adjective, is an adjective. What is that adjective been describing? Adjective is describing onions. And what is onion then? Onion is nothing else, children. It's the noun. So I think so by few of these examples it has been very clear to you that what I am trying to say. That is, adverb describes or adds the meaning to the verb, and adjective always describes the noun or a pronoun. Clear? Let's move to the next statement. A book in the corner was completely new. A book which was kept in the corner was completely new. Now completely, the word itself is an adverb. It's very clear. New is the adjective. Now children, book here is the noun. Now last sentence I have not solved for you all. Let me see whether you are able to solve or not. We always drink the clean water. We always drink the clean water. So I hope so it's very clear. You will do it. So hereby I complete my today's class. Next upcoming class we will be having a test related to adverb only. So be prepared children. It's a very easy chapter, but you have to be very keen about the rules and regulations which I have taught you all many a times. I hope so you all are going to watch this video, understand it, and if you have any queries you can contact me in our next upcoming class. Thank you so much for hearing me. Take care. Bye-bye.